Very quick and easy nail art with some chromes. You want to use the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel, and I choose some sort of a letter S on my matte tip. So you want to just paint it nice and smooth, and then cure it 60 seconds. Once your tip is cured, we are gonna wrap some chrome pigment over it. I have choose like a magenta one. I like to give it a nice wrap like this for the best results. Once you're happy with it, we can take a clear gel, pick up a small amount of it, and just apply it over the chromy part. Couple stones here and there. Make them very irregular, like some different shapes in here. Some of them bigger, some of them smaller. Keep going until you fill up the entire space. And then once you're happy with it, give it 60 seconds cure. Once the tip is cured, use a blue scrub or any other neon dehydrator or alcohol to clean up everything on your design. And look what is happening. The blue scrub will remove all the parts where we've got chrome, and we will be left just with those beautiful stones. Look how pretty it is, and that's just the beginning of our design. We are going to use the transfer foil gel, a small scoop of it, and add some gold detail through it. Using the D-liner brush, we are going to paint some detail. Pick up a small scoop of it, and then just go on the edges to create a beautiful gold outline. Do it the same on the other side, nice and wavy. And then give it 15 seconds cure. Once it's cured, grab a gold transfer foil and transfer it in. On the one side and then the other side. Now we just have to protect our design with the top coat, so I'm using High Shine No Wipe Top Gel and apply over it. Very quick, easy, and simple way to decorate the nails. I hope you have really enjoyed this tutorial.